Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create trending UI designs in Figma. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. If you're searching for cutting-edge design and collaboration software, click the link in the description box below to sign up and get started with Figma today. In this video, we're going to explore how to create cool and modern web designs using Figma. Think of Figma as a powerful tool that helps designers make awesome-looking websites. We'll show you the important stuff in Figma and some tricks to make your websites look really nice and up-to-date. Now let's dive right in. So in creating web designs using Figma, there are some types or designs that we can use, like minimalist designs, or you can even incorporate 3D designs like these one, or immersive designs where you can interact with the background that you have. So for example, here with our design in Figma, you can open your browser and go to figma.com. What I'll be using here is actually just a minimalist web design that I can use for the website, since it's currently trending and that's easier for me to work with as well. So one of the designs that I can incorporate here is actually having like a gradient look into its background using neon lights or neon colors, which actually will pop out or will create a more popping effect of the web design that we're creating from the background. So we can just use a radial design for the gradient of the color, and then transparent on the outside, and then the color will be beginning from the inside outside. So here, and then on the left side panel of the screen, we just need to make sure that the shape or the circle that we have here would be layered or located, or it should be positioned at the back of the text that we have, so that it would be more or the text would be more visible, and it will have more focus on the branding, and the descriptions of the website would be more readable as well. So you can definitely choose a color on what color you'd like to incorporate into your web design, whether if you don't want that yellow, or what the color your web or your branding is for your company. You can definitely use different colors as well. You can just click on the left side panel or the right side panel of the screen under fill, and you'll be able to see there the option wherein you can change the color just by clicking the word radial, and then you can simply toggle on the color spectrum right here, so that you will be able to adjust. You'll be able to adjust on what color would fit best into the website or the web design that you're creating here in Figma. So let's just do it here. Then you can add more ellipse tool or the radius or the radial gradient into your web design. You can either use other shapes as well if you want. So you have an ellipse, a diamond, or a rectangle. You can definitely do so. So you can just repeat the process wherein you change the color of the background that you currently have. And then click on the custom design, wherein you use a gradient, but it would be radial gradient for your design right here. So you can just adjust the positioning of the design that we have, and you'll be able to see that with the ellipse tool or the radiant colors at the back of our web design is definitely popping up, or it gives a pop-up design, or it's emphasizing the text and the theme of your website as well. So that's just one way of how you'll be able to um, create a cool background for your web design here using Figma. So another way here is that when you preview your design, you'll be able to see there that it definitely has a background. So another example here is this one. It's a minimalist design wherein we are using a carousel onto our design. You can just click on these dots right here and you will be able to create that effect here on Figma as well using the prototype tool. So another example here is using 3D animation or 3D models into your website. All you have to do is just create the base parts or what are the different parts of your website first before we will be adding or incorporating the web or the 3D model that we have. So for example, you have the logo or the name of your company. Let's just say it's Bunny. So you can definitely interchange that. Then you have the about and what the website is about. Once you have that, all you have to do is go to plugins and click or find Dora. And then you can export the layers and transfer it to Dora. This is it's a platform where you can definitely use this to incorporate 3D model designs into your web design here on Figma. So you can go to Sketchfab. You can definitely download GLB files of 3D models or 3D animations that you can incorporate here into your Figma project using Dora, and you'll be able to see that all you have to do is click on the box at the upper toolbox in the website or in Dora, and then you'll be able to incorporate which part of the website you'd like the position of the 3D model into your web design here. So you can just resize that, and if you want this to move along as at the same time when you will be scrolling into the design, you can definitely do so. You just need to position your model first and then place it right about here, and then click on this keyframe or the timeline part, and then this is where you'll be able to add a keyframe and it would actually move along your website as you scroll down. So you just need to adjust the buttons right here, making sure that you turn around for each keyframe. So when you scroll it down right, like this one, it will definitely move or turn around, so depending on what your style would be. And that's basically it. So those are some of the trends in designing a UI design using Figma. So you can either use a minimalist design, and you can use neon colored backgrounds as well. That would help you incorporate that into your web designs in Figma. Or you can also use a carousel design in your Figma or on your website. And lastly is using 3D animation or 3D models while incorporating that into your website like we have. And that's the end of the video. Hope you liked the tutorial, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!